My name is Makaylah Castillo. I am a sophomore, and I currently plan on studying Japanese language and linguistics with a minor in art. My teacher was Jose Ignacio, and he was always like, if you need anything, like, you can talk to me. He told me all the resources that were on campus, how to study, because I had no idea how to study. I still, am trying to figure it out, but, he showed us how he studied, who we talked to, he brought in, other students, and they were like, okay, here's what I do. We all go study with our friends. We get some energy drinks. I don't condone. My mom had no idea. She had no idea how to do the application. She had no idea. She was like, I've never been. I don't know how to help you. But I think if you let that hold you back, you're never going to better yourself. I'm so happy. I'm so happy now that I'm learning Japanese, and I absolutely love learning. I would just be really sad if I missed this chance and I just was I let it be an excuse. But also, they're my biggest fans. I would not be here. I would not be here without my mother. I call her, I'm like, Mom, my teacher did this. I'm like, I love my teacher. I gave them this. If it wasn't for my mom, I wouldn't be here. But they are definitely my biggest supporters.